Hello and welcome to Deano Outdoors. In a previous video, I got to test out Anyfire's Model A4 Apple wireless CarPlay adapter, and it has been working flawlessly for the past few months. In today's video, I get the opportunity to test out Anyfire's Model A5. What makes the A5 unique is that it's a 2-in-1 adapter, meaning you have the ability to use it as an Apple CarPlay or an Android Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect the Model A5 to your vehicle, as well as go over some of its features. Let's begin. Let's take a look inside this package. I'll show you what's all included. Comes with a little handy instruction manual. Inside this package, you're going to find a USB-A cable extension, one USB-C cable extension, and then the A5 adapter. This A5 adapter measures on the front. You're going to see the Anyfire logo, as well as a little LED indicator light bar that will light up once we get this plugged in, showing you the status of your adapter. For this review, we're going to be installing this on a Ford F-150. Going to be using the USB-C cable adapter. It's going to just plug this end in till you hear a little click, and plug it into any USB slot on your vehicle. Now you can see we have a little red flashing light indicating that we are not connected yet. Now we're going to power on the vehicle. Wait for your screen to come on. You now have a screen pop up that says Apple CarPlay. CarPlay lets you use your iPhone. Hit continue. I do want to let you know I'm going to be connecting this to an iPhone. I do not have an Android device to try to connect to, so in this demonstration we're going to be using an iPhone. Click agree. I'm going to be skipping the 911 assistance at this time. At this point here, you have the option to use it as an Apple CarPlay or an Android Auto. For this application, we're going to be using the Apple CarPlay. You're now going to select the CarPlay on your Bluetooth apps, hit pair, and allow. We are now connected to the Apple CarPlay app. The blue LED light flashing below the Anyfire logo is letting us know that we have successfully paired to our vehicle's radio. From here, you can have any options that you want. You may use any apps that you use from your phone now on your radio in your vehicle. Just a few options at the top. You have your phone. You can sync all your contacts, all your favorite music. You have your maps. You can also send text messages, as well as I have the Ford Sync app here. Depending on your vehicle, you may have an app for that as well. Now, that only took under 1 minute to connect. Now when you go to shut your vehicle off, now the next time you get in your vehicle and you turn your ignition key to on, your CarPlay should automatically connect. So once you have the initial pairing process completed, the next time you go to use it, it should connect automatically and be instantaneous. It should take less than 30 seconds to upload and connect everything. This device can be used via the touchscreen on your car's radio. It can be used by any of the control knobs that you have on your radio. And it can also be used with your steering wheel's voice commands. What's the coldest place in Alaska?
Here's what I found from azanimals.com. The coldest place in Alaska is Utqiagvik.
A little bit about this product. Anyfar A5 is one of the earliest 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapters that uses a dual core chip. This alone increases the speed 5 times and gives you a more stable transmission. It also uses a dual channel digital single transmission, 5.8 plus 2.4 gigahertz, solving the problem of Bluetooth single and radio interference. The 2-in-1 adapter, wireless CarPlay, allows you to switch between your iPhone or Android. If one of your family members uses an Android and you have an iPhone, the A5 is your best choice and allows you to easily switch back and forth. It also uses a very compact and stylish design. This model A5 supports Siri and Google Voice Assistants, giving you a full hands-free capability, allowing you to make phone calls, send text messages, play music, navigate, and much more. Installation is very simple. It's basically plug and play, and it's compatible with over 800 models of vehicles. And another great feature with Anyfar is it gives you a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty with lifetime tech support. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you guys are looking to turn your vehicle's radio into a hands-free wireless CarPlay or Android Auto and are undecided on which model to get because maybe you or your spouse has an iPhone and you have an Android phone, this model A5 may be the perfect solution for you as it's a 2-in-1. It can be used for the Android Auto or Apple's wireless CarPlay. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.